Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble on paper, only way. Prepare a thin soap solution with a little glycerin, a straw, and a tissue loop. Dip the loop, blow, and press the bubble gently onto paper to leave a crisp ring. Work slowly, test ratios until you get clean imprints, and allow each transfer to dry fully before stacking sheets or adding color for layered effects. Begin by dipping the paper loop into the soap mix and removing excess to avoid drips, then form a stable bubble using steady, gentle breaths through the straw. When the bubble looks round and glossy, press it directly onto the paper and hold for a second, then lift carefully to reveal the print. Practice slow, consistent motions to improve repeatability and reduce splatter for neat, circular transfers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your studio snacks safe when you get inspired. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save time between setups. I use them for colored water and small tools to avoid spills while filming. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your bubbles pop or leave weak prints, tweak the mix by adding glycerin or cutting water, and test on scrap paper until consistent. For bolder rings, mix a tiny drop of liquid ink or food color into the soap and stir gently. This enhances contrast without ruining bubble structure. Always work indoors on smooth paper and keep movements slow to prevent premature popping and messy splatters during transfers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.